What's up guys, Rampage here. Today I'm going to show you how to install an auto clicker for running in your games. You're going to want to search for GS auto clicker and you want to go to this one here and you want to go free download and you want to click alternative download and this should automatically start downloading. Here we go. So it should open up now. I'll link the download in the drop down for you as well. It's just next, desktop icon, install. Right, so the way to work this is, you can instantly just go F8 and then that's you clicking. It will go from where you position the mouse. The other thing you can do is you can go into record in multiple clicks. So you would go pick a point on your screen. So supposing you are, for example, on Ark Force Feeding, you would click on the meat, pick your second point on the meat, and your third point on the meat. Click OK, and then the F8 will just start clicking there. So supposing over here and this is your force feed button here, you click and it'll start clicking there. It's not a very complicated program. You can change the hotkey and whatnot for it. But yeah, it's a nice simple program to run in the background. If you like the video, give me a like and a sub. Thanks.